This beast ain't just a motherboard. It's the Wi-Fi 7 powered brain for Ryzen Demigods. Welcome to the motherboard that makes other boards look like dial-up modems on a potato. The GIGABYTE X870E AORUS Elite Wi-Fi 7 isn't just a name, it's a warning to every lag, bottleneck, and thermal chokehold ever made. With its AM5 socket support for Ryzen 7000, 8000, and 9000 series, this board gives your CPU the red carpet it deserves. DDR5, PCIe 5.0, USB 4, and enough M.2 slots to open a storage vault, this monster means business. Add Wi-Fi 7 and 2.5 gigabits Ethernet LAN, and you're not just building a rig, you're constructing a next-gen command center for world domination, or gaming. Think of it as your PC's secret weapon. The 16+2+2 power design doesn't just feed your processor, it fuels it like it's prepping for the Ryzen Olympics. Whether you're gaming, rendering, or calculating quantum wormholes, this board won't flinch. With high-end VRM cooling and M.2 Thermal Guards that act like bodyguards for your SSDs, overheating becomes a bedtime story. You can overclock like a lunatic, yet this board keeps everything cool, literally and figuratively. It's not just stable, it's surgically precise, allowing your system to breathe easy under pressure. DIY builders, welcome to your dream zone. With EZ-Latch Magic, for PCIe and M.2, Wi-Fi Easy Plug, and the Easy Debug Zone, building feels less like tech surgery and more like Lego with a license to kill. Even BIOS tweaking is a breeze, with intuitive controls and lightning-fast memory training that has users raving. No screwdriver rage here, just smooth, user-friendly power and a gorgeously white aesthetic that makes RGB optional. Yes, you can still light it up, but honestly, it already looks like a Snow-White mech suit. Time is money, and this board saves you both. With dual USB 4, fast boot times, and full Windows 11 compatibility right out of the box, it slashes downtime like a ninja with a fiber connection. Install, plug, play, dominate. Plus, the built-in sensor panel link means you can hook up real-time diagnostics like you're piloting a spaceship. No fiddling. No lag. No waiting. Just straight-up power with every boot, every click, every frame. You'll wonder how you ever lived with anything slower than Lightspeed. Here's the kicker, it comes with a 5-year warranty, because GIGABYTE knows you'll be running this beast hard. Users have called it the best AM5 board for the Ryzen 9 9900X, and for good reason. From insane bandwidth to thermally blessed design, from seamless overclocking to intuitive layout, this board walks the walk and talks the smack. It's not just tech-tested, it's battle-tested. And the price? Fair for a future-proof centerpiece that won't tap out when you push it to its silicon soul. Elite by name, elite by performance, this isn't your average motherboard. This is the X870E AORUS Elite Wi-Fi 7, and it's hungry.